In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unprotect a sheet in Google Sheets, a task that can come in handy if you need to make changes to a previously protected worksheet. Whether for editing permissions or simply unlocking content, it's a pretty straightforward process that I'm excited to guide you through. To begin, you'll want to have your Google Sheets document open and ready. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once in, locate and open the specific spreadsheet you want to work on. You'll see a list of all the sheets within your document at the bottom. Choose the sheet you wish to unprotect. It's typical for these sheets to be protected for reasons ranging from safeguarding sensitive data to keeping formulas intact. However, if you're the owner or have the necessary permissions, you're in the right place to make modifications. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Data. This selection gives you access to several options related to managing your spreadsheet data. From the drop-down list, look for and click on Protected Sheets and Ranges. A pane will appear on the right side of your screen, showing all sheets and ranges that have protection enabled. Here, you'll find a list of all protected areas. Identify the sheet or the range that you want to unprotect. Click on it to bring up its editing options. This is usually done by clicking on the range within the sidebar, which will expand to show more details. In this expanded view, you could see a pencil icon or something similar that suggests Edit Mode. Click on this, and it will show the currently set permissions and options to change them. Now it's time to remove the protection. In the protection menu that appears, you'll see an option to remove protection. It's a straightforward process that involves simply clicking the Remove or Delete option, which usually frees the sheet from its restricted status. Depending on the configuration, you might be prompted to confirm this action. After removing protection, you'll notice that the sheet can now be edited as any regular sheet, including those with formula alterations or data entry. Remember, this action is reversible. You can add protection again if it's required later. It's a good idea to ensure everyone involved is aware of the sheet's status to maintain data integrity. Before you log off, double-check everything to make sure your sheet is now unprotected and ready for additional edits or sharing. And that's how you unprotect a sheet in Google Sheets. Remember to be mindful of why a sheet was protected initially. This ensures that any important data remains secure after changes. Thanks for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.